For the first time in history, scientists have filmed a living goblin shark in its natural deep ocean habitat. And what they found nearly 2,000 meters down changes what we thought we knew. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Sunday, June 28th, 2026. In Science News today, researchers have done something that has never been done before. They filmed a living goblin shark in its natural habitat. The footage was captured nearly 2,000 meters down in the Tonga Trench in the Central Pacific. This prehistoric-looking creature has only ever been studied from dead specimens. Now, for the first time, we can watch it move through the deep ocean in real time. Also from Cornell University, researchers have cracked a major mystery in cancer treatment. Fibrolamellar carcinoma is a rare liver cancer that almost exclusively strikes young people, and immunotherapy has never worked against it until now. Scientists found that blocking a single protein flips a switch, making these invisible tumors visible to the immune system. The drug that does it, AMD 3100, is already FDA approved, meaning clinical trials could move fast. In tech news, IBM just broke what many thought was a physical barrier. The company unveiled the world's first sub-1 nanometer chip operating at the 0.7 nanometer node, that is literally just a few atoms across. It packs nearly 100 billion transistors onto a chip the size of your fingernail. That is almost twice the density of IBM's own 2 nanometer chip, and the implications for AI and cloud computing are enormous. In science and biotech news, a company called Aleph Neuro just published the clearest non-invasive three-dimensional brain images ever produced. They used ultrasound localization microscopy combined with FDA-approved microbubbles. No MRI machine, no drilling into the skull. The resolution rivals an MRI scan, and they open-sourced the entire imaging pipeline so researchers worldwide can build on it. This could transform how we detect strokes and monitor Alzheimer's disease. And in space science, NASA's Perseverance rover has found the most complex organic molecules ever detected on Mars. The discovery came from an ancient dry riverbed inside Jezero crater, one of the planet's top candidate sites for past microbial life. These are the highest concentrations of organic chemistry Perseverance has recorded anywhere on the planet. It is not proof of life, but it is the strongest biosignature signal we have ever seen from Mars. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about deepest goblin shark sighting implications in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.